What's up, guys? I'm back again with another vlog for you guys. Now today is nothing such special about it, but it's evening and I thought of shooting a vlog for you guys because I'm heading towards the Westin 5-star hotel. Reason being, we have a coffee meet with all our Triumph rider brothers. So, and today being a fun Friday, we wanted to have a biker's night out. Now that doesn't mean that we are going to be staying over there, but yeah, we'll have a blast for a good handsome period of time. Now it's really pleasant right now, but during the day it was freaking hot. Now few years down the line, I don't know how the temperature is gonna be during the day, but in the past 6-7 years ago, we are in the month of October and going to step in the month of November, and this is the time frame when we used to have a good cold winter. Now honestly speaking, where is the winter gone? My goodness, too much of pollution, too much of vehicle, and a lot of other things. Global warming causing the earth to melt. That is what I believe. It's melting, and it is melting us as well, we human beings. Now what to say? So leaving that, moving on with the street, with my street. It feels so awesome to get back on this machine, and I've been riding my Adventure 390 quite a long now, since the work has already been started, so not getting time to ride that much. However, hopping on this beast makes me have wings, man. Like Red Bull gives you wings, this gives me wings, man. This gives me wings. So there was a heavy traffic behind me, and I can't even tell you, it took me at least 20 minutes to get out of the traffic. Reason being is these guys, man, these government buses, I can't even tell you. Now they are definitely the lifeline of the city for sure, but honestly the way they ride, the way they drive these buses, these humongous buses, and the way the speed is, man, it's like a super snail, man. Too slow, man. And they're like they think they're as if they're the king of the roads, man. Can't even tell you how pathetic they are. Like, they can stop anywhere, they can turn anywhere without even the indicators. Half of the bus doesn't have a proper functioning light. It makes too much of noise. It sounds as if like a Superbike. It's fully distorted, and the vehicle is not in a condition, and you don't have indicators or such, and without the horn also they keep driving as if they're the Valentino Rossi or Marc Marquez, man. I can't even tell you. It's so pathetic, man. And because of this, and as you can see over on top of our head, the metro construction is going on. The roads are being narrowed. They have there's no place, there's no enough room for a biker also to move ahead. And because of these humongous buses, and they just keep stopping each and every place as if it's their own road. And that's the reason why we have heavy traffic, man. Heavy traffic. I don't know what the government is doing and how exactly the cops are managing these kind of traffic conditions, man. Now, Pune, to be honest, 10 years ago, it was like peace. It was peaceful, man. Like it was a completely different planet and a new evolving planet. But I was not expecting like this kind of a crowd. And because of all these pollution things, the climate in Pune used to be so fantastic, man. So beautiful. Used to be cooler. Even during the hot summers, you can bear the heat. But now, oh my goodness, I can't even tell you. It's so hot, as if like you are getting baked in sun. Nevertheless, moving along. So I'm almost actually I'm too late. We are supposed to reach around 6:30. 6:30 is the meetup time, and now it's 6:34. And look at the traffic. I don't know, God knows what time I'll be reaching. Let's hope that I reach within the next 30 minutes by 7. Now if you see that picture over there, that looks so beautiful, like civilized kind of planet that we are staying. And look at this over here. Do you see civilization anywhere? Or like a civilized kind of a place? And nobody follows traffic rules. Now, man, I'm seriously irritated with this kind of a traffic, man. Now, I know a lot of you people also hate riding or driving in this heavy traffic. I don't know. Even if the roads are so broad, I don't understand why does it take time for them just to accelerate and go ahead rather than running here and there like a snail. And it's so irritating, man, so irritating. And for no good reason, they will have 5 to 6 speed breakers within 100 meters. And even if you don't have speed breakers, you will have like these kind of bad road, like potholes and everywhere. By the way, I really appreciate and I thank you all for all the people who have subscribed to my channel. I love you all, guys, and thank you for commenting. Please do share your feedbacks, your comments, any question that you want to ask. I'll be happy to share and talk to you guys. Oh, that was nasty. So almost to Viman Nagar, and from there hardly 4 odd kilometers to Westin. So finally, after conquering all the heavy traffic, dirty roads and the heat of the bike, I have almost reached Westin. So it's hardly 100 meters or 50 meters probably. Sorry about the calculation, which I'm not perfect at it with distance, but yeah, so it's almost there. Okay, I am late, so I reached around 7:04. Okay, okay, this is Westin. Ow, ow. Thank you, भैया. Okay. That's my brother over there, Ben, and the other tram guys. Oh, we have a Kawasaki as well. Wow. So finally the meet is over and one of the tiger is going off. Me riding my friend's Street Triple RS and he'll be riding my R. So now it's been long that I got a chance to ride the RS. Now let's see. It's almost 11 o'clock at night and still we have traffic and the roads are busy this side. Okay, this is gonna be a bumpy ride. Oh man, this bike is too quick, man, as compared to mine. I don't know why I feel very different on this bike, to be honest. Okay, we have a green signal. So finally guys, I've reached home. Unfortunately my GoPro's battery died out and I couldn't shoot any more further, or neither I could talk to you much, but glad that I was able to shoot much part of it. And however, I hope you guys liked my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And thanks a lot for all the subscribers who have joined me and also commenting on the video. Please do share your feedback also, and you can follow me on Instagram as well, that is r_NISHI7, and we'll be seeing you on the next vlog. Take care, good night, bye bye, love you, ride hard, ride safe, take care.